Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you two common ways that you can cleanse a tarot deck. The first method is going to be by salt, and then the second method is by smoke. So let's get started. For this method, you will need only two things: salt and your tarot cards. Salt is used within witchcraft and many occult practices because of its crystalline nature. It absorbs and keeps away negative energies, leaving your cards clear and fresh for the next use. I have here coarse sea salt and my Hanson Roberts tarot deck. I fan the cards a bit to loosen them and make sure they aren't sticking together. I do this both ways, just out of personal preference. Then I take them and spread them out on my altar. This method could also work if you place your cards in a container of salt and keep them there, only bringing them out when you need to. Now, I sprinkle some salt over the cards. Only as much as I feel necessary. There isn't a measurement to this, only what I can feel energetically. From here, my cards will sit in the salt for an entire day. Then I will clean them up, sweep the salt into my hands, and cast it into the wind. For this method, again, you will only need a few things: your tarot cards, incense, and a way to light the incense. I also set up my altar for smoke cleansing a little different. If something doesn't feel right after I've lit my candle and incense, I move things around to suit me. Since I call upon my guides and my goddess when I read tarot, I let that energy guide me as I arrange my tools. It's different every time. Smoke cleansing is another popular cleansing method that is used for tarot cards, crystals, homes, and people. The most common method of smoke cleansing is using sage, but today I will be using dragon's blood incense. Dragon's blood incense is protective in nature, while the smoke will clear the residual energy left in the cards. For me, this method takes a bit longer, and I have sped the video up just a bit. Here I have my Wild Unknown deck, and I fan out the cards like I did before. Since I'm limited on space, I take a section of cards and move them through the smoke and around the incense. I repeat this process, making sure that each card has a chance to be passed through the smoke. Please be careful when you're doing this. I bumped my incense stick with a fan of cards and could have damaged them, but accidents happen. I don't have a specific amount of time I fan the cards through the smoke. I just go with what I feel is necessary. You can then take it a step further. This deck is one that is special to me as it was a gift. I have a beautiful box that was gifted to me a few years ago. This deck, once cleansed, is placed in the box with a smear of incense ash over the top card. I then take the incense stick and cleanse the entire area, box and all, before closing the box. This deck will stay put away in this box for at least an entire day. However, this is a deck that I use almost every day, so it won't stay put for long. So as you can see, these two methods are really easy to do if you have incense or if you have any type of salt. In this case, I used the coarse ground salt. It's a fairly easy sort of cleansing ritual that you can do at your altar, at your kitchen table, or wherever you feel most comfortable. I do recommend cleansing your tarot decks at least once a month. If you use them heavily, cleanse them once a week, or even do a small cleansing ritual on a regular basis. This is going to help keep any sort of wayward energy from attaching to your cards, and if you've used your cards in an emotional state, it's going to help clear the residual energy from those emotions and just the environmental energy as well. So let me know in the comments below if you have used methods like this before, or if you have any other methods that you use for cleaning your tarot decks. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.